the materials. So we're showing specifically our huge range of colors, also different finishes regarding matte or glossy finish. So we're showing the huge possibilities that are available in our range. Also, we are showing a novelty called Permapreta, which is an ecological toilet. It doesn't need any water to function, and it's going to be very important in the future for ecological and sustainability purposes. So you don't need any water, no maintenance. It's ideal for faraway places with no sewage, with no infrastructure. So those things are the main things that are being shown here at the fair. The rimless, it's definitely not just a trend, it's going to be a fact in the near future. There is definitely a concern about hygiene, and the rimless version, it's a very, very good option in those terms. 100 years gives you a lot of know-how, and we have the whole control of the whole production process. So from the raw materials, through the molds, through glazing, and the finishing touches, we control the whole process. This is something that you don't normally find in the market. And therefore, that allows you to, in any part of the process, intervene and go towards what the client wants. If your client wants a specific size or a specific shape for a wash basin, for example, we can create it in record time for a specific project. That is something that you do not find in the market, almost anywhere. Another thing is the glazing, the finishing of the sanitary piece. If you want a specific color that is not in our range, and our range is quite huge, but even if it's not there, we can develop, again, specifically tailor-made for a specific project. Those are added values that you don't normally find in the market. We have to let people know what we're doing, that we're here, that Portuguese design is one of the best in the world, that we have know-how, and that we can go further than anybody else. Our plans for the future is to continue to expand, to invest. We have very big facilities in our warehouse and plant in Porto, in the northern Portugal. So we have happily a lot of space, so we are continuing to invest to give our clients the best product they can buy. The water is something that is not going to be around forever, and we have to make sure that our products waste as little water as possible. And that is something we are very committed to.